SpaceX is getting closer to launching the next generation of Starship, and things are starting to get really interesting. The company has now completed the first full-duration, full-thrust static fire test of the Starship V3 Super Heavy booster, marking another major milestone for the massive rocket system. The Super Heavy booster is the first stage of Starship, and it's powered by 33 Raptor engines. These upgraded engines are designed to deliver around 600,000 pounds of thrust each, giving Starship even more lifting power than previous versions. That's a serious amount of force packed into one rocket. Back on April 16th, SpaceX fired all 33 engines together for the first time at Starbase in Texas. Then on May 7th, they pushed things even further with a full-duration test, meaning the engines burned for the entire planned length of time while producing full thrust. That's a huge step because these tests are meant to simulate real launch conditions as closely as possible. At the same time, SpaceX has also been testing the Starship upper stage itself. In mid-April, the company completed a full-duration static fire of the Starship V3 spacecraft, proving that its 6 Raptor engines are also performing the way they're supposed to. As usual, SpaceX didn't reveal too many technical details about the latest test, but the fact that there haven't been any reports of problems is a pretty good sign. Everything appears to have gone smoothly, and that could mean the first flight of Starship V3 is getting very close. Then again, SpaceX has hinted at upcoming launches before, so fans are staying cautiously excited. The next mission is expected to be Flight 12, and it could represent a major transition point for the entire Starship program. Up to now, most launches have focused heavily on development and experimentation. Flight 12 is expected to move things closer toward operational readiness, which is a big deal for the future of lunar and Mars missions. Compared to earlier versions, Starship V3 is expected to be even more capable. Elon Musk has repeatedly called it the most powerful launch vehicle ever built, and the numbers definitely back that up. But the really important part is reusability. Both the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft are designed to fly, return, and eventually be reused for future missions. That's the key idea SpaceX believes will make regular deep space travel affordable. Right now, it's still unclear exactly what Flight 12 will attempt beyond getting the new rocket into the air for the first time. And considering the history of Starship testing, nobody would be shocked to see some kind of failure along the way. SpaceX has always treated these launches as learning opportunities, using every test to improve the design and move faster toward the final goal. So far, Starship has completed 11 flight tests, with the latest happening in October 2025. That mission turned out to be the most successful yet, with all planned objectives achieved for the first time. Now all eyes are on Starship V3, as SpaceX prepares for what could become another huge moment in the company's push toward the Moon, Mars, and beyond.